Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're on our 270 Sailfish center console that we have. We just got this boat in, so it is a 2020. As you can see, we have a beautiful day out here to shoot some videos and show you this boat. Right now I'm up in the bow, pull-up cleats all around, some rod holders up here too as well. Got our windlass anchor system with the control up here. Cleat to tie off your anchor line. As well as we got a flip around light so this won't get caught on your lines while you're tied off. Up here too, as you can see, we got nice seating under the front seats. We do have some storage. These are your fish boxes on this boat. Duplicated on both sides. As well as duplicated on both sides is the backrests, which are nice because they flip out like that. So get them out of the way, where you can kind of use it as a bolster when you're leaning over, let's say fighting a fish or something, when you get the fish up to the bow. Up here too, we also have a nice storage area. It's a good spot for a 5-gallon bucket. As well as we have a mount for our bow table. Now here in front of the console, we do have a nice removable cooler for your drinks, or if you're just going for, small fish, you can throw them in there and take them right off the boat. You got a Yeti on this one, doubles as a seat, which is nice. Here you got a powder coated T-top frame. We got our two-tone fiberglass top here. You got a nice windshield here to block any spray or keep the wind down. Now moving around the side here, you'll notice that our grab rail is right when you get away from the helm, which is nice. Nice safety feature here. It's right here, so you don't have to worry about not having something to grab onto when you're walking around. And under here in our console, it's quite big for this size boat. We do have a head in there. Right now there's some jump seats stored that go in the back as well, and as well as canvas. Now here at our helm, we do have our Garmin touchscreen display. Compass right in front of your steering wheel. Steering wheel is also on an adjustable base. Got your keys, windlass controls here too. Garmin VHF, and your switch panels, as well as your engine controls here, and trim tabs. Now something unique Sailfish does is they have this nice storage area right on top here. This is actually a very nice area to keep your phone, any sort of food or something, snacks, because it keeps it really dry in here, and you also have your USB and 12 volt up here too. Up here, your electronics box up here. Got some space here to put some stuff in there. And you also have your Yamaha gauges, some light switches up here. Outrigger mounts, and molded in speakers. Something new for 2020 that Sailfish also did is do the new Acrylic Dash, and they put this brow up here. It's nice for deflecting any sunlight that can get in your eyes. Also for 2020, what Sailfish did is put a power sliding helm seat in. Your switches are right here. It's a nice feature. The seats, both of them also are independent. So you either sit down or lean back with the bolsters, or you can even sit up on top of this and put your feet on the nice footrest here, which also doubles as storage underneath. And you also have footrests independent that pop down on your leaning post. And armrests. Now back here on the 27-foot Sailfish, we do have some nice forward rocket launchers here, another 4 up top. And we do have a nice little, bait well. You can use that for storage wherever you want. As well as a nice little sink here, some cup holders, and a nice place to put, your knives and pliers and all that for fishing. Now back here too, what Sailfish does is they put in this seat that also folds away here, so you can get that out of the way. So you got all the room for fishing you need, but on your way out there, you do have room back here to sit in the most comfortable spot in the boat, which is right in the transom. Something Sailfish does, which is unique, is have mosquito pylon be able to come out, pop up, and easily go back away. So it's like never even there. You don't have to take it off the boat or go store it somewhere else. And you also have back here nice 4 rod holders here, 2 more cup holders, another 2 rod holders on the gunnels. And you get some knives, storage area, and pliers. You know, you can even throw your raw water wash down hose right in here, so when you get blood on the boat, pop it right up, be able to spray it down. It's nice too under the gunnels that Sailfish does is they put in some rod storage as well. So you get some more rod storage there, get them up out of the way. Back here we also have a live well. Nice rounded surfaces. And another thing to note while I'm standing here right next to the gunnel is how high the gunnels are on the Sailfish. It's a big thing in their brands, you know, it gives you that safety while you're out there. And this boat's also equipped with twin 200s. So again, this was Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 2020 Sailfish 270 center console. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.